Gala is committed to making life easier in the bathroom space. For this reason, we present the new WCs with the Rimless system, a new generation of WCs that simplify cleaning and hygiene. Their secret? We have eliminated the traditional rim through which water flows, turning the inner walls into one single piece with no angles or nooks. We have also included a powerful water distributor whose propulsive power is able to cover the inner areas of the WC. The result? Greater hygiene due to water reaching the surface of the WC, and effortless cleaning thanks to the simplicity of its shape. Gala makes your life easier. Rimless Systems by Gala. Technology at the service of hygiene.